So this is Adjectives Part 2. So in the last maybe 6 to 7 videos we have been going through Part 1 of adjectives, and we've learned um, basically about um, 3 different forms or types of adjectives, if you will. So you have adjectives that end with O, adjectives that end with E, and adjectives that end in a consonant, and each one of them have like in terms of transformation of the adjectives, so they could change depending on the gender of the noun or if it's singular or plural. So for adjectives that end with O, they can change in both ways, in respect to gender as well as the numbers, right? With E, it's only with numbers, and in terms of consonants or ending with a consonant, it will again only change in numbers, right? So that's what we learned. So let's see what part 2 of adjectives deals with. Alright, so many adjectives of nationality end in O. These adjectives follow the same rules as other adjectives ending in O. That is, they have 4 forms. Okay, alright. So it says el muchacho mexicano, la muchacha mexicana, los, this is a plural of el, right? Los muchachos mexicanos, las, plural of the feminine one, las muchachas mexicanas. So notice that they have highlighted, or it is in bold, the nationality. So this would probably translate to Mexicans, right? Or from Mexico. And this is for masculine singular, masculine plural, singular feminine, singular plural feminine, right? And what I mean to say is many adjectives of nationality end in O. So if someone is from Spain, that particular adjective would end in O more often than not. And same thing can be said for other countries too, right? So that's what I mean by that. And and what I mean by for the same rules, it means that, like what we just discussed, that it follows the rules like it transforms in with variation gender or number, right? So that's what it is. Um, okay, so let's leave it at this. Take a moment to um, absorb this information. So in the next video we'll continue further in this section of adjectives. So until then, see you next time.